Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to add confetti to your designs. Adding confetti will add a touch of celebration to your designs, and in this tutorial, you will be learning how to add, or you can say sprinkle confetti in your designs effortless. So without wasting time, let us move on to Canva platform and log in, and let us take a blank template. I have taken Instagram blank template. So there are two ways of adding confetti to your designs. One is with the help of elements, and the other one is using the confetti app within Canva. So without wasting much of the time, let us see how to create this confetti effect in Canva. So let us design a birthday celebration card. So first we need to create a happy birthday card. So here it is. Choose any of the font and type happy birthday. Now go to elements and search for confetti. When you are searching for confetti, you will get a number of options for animated confetti. Now see here how we are going to use. We can choose any one. Let me choose here. See, this is wonderful, which is coming from corner. Now if I want, I can go for rotating this, and then from both the sides the effect is coming up. Right, now we can add more to it. Now I can see here a number of things which I'm going to choose one. Here it is. Let me choose this. Now see here, a simple design for happy birthday actually turned into a very celebrative design. So this is one way of doing it, and another way is going to apps and then find out confetti app. So here again you can add balloons, you can add cartoon characters, cake, or anything, and make this happy birthday card wonderful. So let me go to the next blank page, and I will go to apps. Here we go, and here again we need to type confetti. Here it is. Now here, see, now the interface is so simple, and you can see here what are all the objects or elements you need in the design. It is here: cross, eye, arc, star, sun, and flower. I can untick this cross, so cross will be deleted, eye will be deleted, arc will be deleted. Let me keep only sun and star. So here we go, we've got wonderful confetti design created. Now I can increase the density. For example, I want more of it, I can add on and more. If I wanted to decrease the density, again I can go for decreasing the density and make it more beautiful. Even the size, I can reduce it, I can make it smaller, or I can make it bigger. And size range is also there. I can again increase or decrease. Now position range also I can increase or I can decrease. Now I have done this choices. Now I'm going to generate it. Click the button generate. So it is generating. Done. Now what you need to do is add this to the design. Click on it. The design is added. Now you can make it as a background, simple background. And if you want to see it more clearly, you can go for a change in the background color, where I can add on black color. Now this is done. Now even after this also, you can add the confetti elements and make it still more beautiful. Now let me actually type it. I can add a heading: happy birthday. And again, as I said, you can add some confetti here using the element. The background is set with the right. Now let me put up this. I can add a confetti here. See how you can make it. You can add more and more of it, or else you can duplicate and then rotate it, and you can place it in a different way. So this is how you can create beautiful celebration cards using confetti. So let us see the first one. Here also, if you want, you can actually add the background color clear, so that like it will be visible very nicely. I can go for it, and or else I can go for a blue color. Now here it is. So the outcome will be beautiful. There are even different designs I have created. This is how it is made. And if you found this useful, then click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. And thank you for watching.